if you're new, my name is Jasmine. Welcome. So today I'm bringing you this Scarecrow Halloween makeup tutorial for 2018. So if you like this makeup, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red button down below where it says subscribe. And make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss none of my videos. So if you guys would like to know how I created this look, make sure you guys stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start off by applying some of this primer, and this is from Maybelline. And if you don't have this one, you can use whatever you have. And we're going to do our same makeup routine, so just follow along with me. We're going to go ahead and start off with our foundation, and I'm going to be using this Super Stay Full Coverage foundation, and this is in number 130. And I'm going to be using my e.l.f. foundation brush. So the next step is we're going to apply some of these concealer, and we're going to go ahead and apply it underneath our eyes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my left side, and once I'm done, we'll go ahead and do this right side. Alright, so I already went ahead and did my left side, and this is how it's going to look. So now we're going to go ahead and start off right here, but I went ahead and applied some tape. So if you guys don't want to do that, just go ahead and follow along. So I already applied it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is use this brush and grab a Baja color, and we're going to start off by doing circular motions. You just move it forward to the inner corner of the eye. Smoothly. And going back. A circular motion as well. You can apply as much coat as needed. Grab the Rift color. I'm going to go ahead and apply these in the lid of the eye. And going back with the brush, I'm going to go ahead and swipe this a little bit. And now with the tip of my finger, I'm going to go ahead and use the Lithium, and this is from the Urban Decay Mundas palette. And I'm simply, as you guys can see the glitter, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on the lid. And this is so beautiful, I love it. Now it does have a follow, so just be careful with it. Moving on, I'm going to use the e.l.f. by Christian Siriano, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to use the highlight from in here, this one right here. And I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of the eye, the teardrop. I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black, which is this one. I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape from underneath. And we're going to apply some more orange underneath the eye. So here I go again, same brush. And I'm simply going to go ahead and grab some and just apply it under here slowly. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use another brush, and this is from Beauty Essence, if that's right. And I'm gonna use the Yet color, which is in a charcoal black color. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on top of this orange one, and just start from the corner and going forward slowly to the inner corner of the eye, but not all the way to the corner of the eye. And I'm gonna use a smudge brush, and this is from e.l.f. and we're gonna go ahead and apply the same orange color, and we're just gonna go ahead and apply it underneath the black color, and then just darken this in a little bit more, and then just move forward to the outside line. I'm gonna use this NYX, and this is a jumbo eye pencil in color black, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this in the waterline. I'm going to use a Maybelline Falsies mascara, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit before I apply my fall eyelashes. And now for my fall eyelashes, I'm going to use the Allure Look Silk, and it's in the Feather Light Feel, which is this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and apply them. And then we're just going to let it take its time to dry out, and then we'll go ahead and reuse the black ink eyeliner, so that way we can cover the little white patches from the glue. It has dried. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more mascara to the lashes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply another lashes underneath, because I want this to be more dramatic, but that is optional to you guys if you want to, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick, and then we'll just move on. So this is kind of how it's going to look, just to kind of give it a little bit more of an effect, since I'm not really that good on the effects, but just to kind of look like a real scarecrow. So I'll apply this kind of a little bit hard, but it just take your time once you apply this. You don't, like I say, you don't have to wear these, not unless you want to. It's all optional to you guys, however you guys decide. So I'm just gonna let that dry for a minute, and then we'll continue on. So what you want to do now is get your black eyeliner, and you're just gonna color all this little white glue, and just pretend like you're coloring. So just cover those little white glue patches, so that way it doesn't show that much. And now with the white pencil, we're gonna go ahead and trace the little nose, and then we'll go ahead and trace it in black once you get it right. Start from up here, and then like go all the way down here. So I hope that's about correct. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the Baja color again, which is the orange color, and we're gonna fill it in, and then we'll retrace it with the black pencil. And then we'll use the same brush, and then just apply some underneath right here. Doesn't matter how you put it, just apply some orange down here. I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and it's in 0. Oh my gosh, I kind of messed up. I can't get this right. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add like some stitches on it. Kind of like the cat whiskers, but it's totally different. Now for the mouth, I don't know if I should do a happy face or a sad face, but I guess I'll do a happy face because I love fall and I love Halloween, so I'll do a happy face, not a sad face. So I'm gonna start off with the lip from underneath. And I'm gonna trace my lip just a little bit, not too much, not all the way up, but just half of it. Go ahead and use the black pencil now and then retrace this. And now to finish this up, I'm going to use the gel pencil waterproof, and this is in a brown color, and I'm going to do just a couple of freckles in the face. And sorry if I'm not doing it right, I'm just trying my best. Trying to do these little effects. Alright you guys, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. It was really fun to create, and I really can't wait to do more Halloween tutorials for you guys. So once again, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.